नमस्कार दोस्तों, स्वागत है आपका हिम इंडिया एजुकेशन में। आज हम जो एच पी टेट आर्ट्स का 12/12/2020 को जो क्वेश्चन पेपर हुआ था उसका साइकोलॉजी पार्ट जो है सोल्व करने जा रहे हैं। इसका फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, द ओल्डेस्ट मेथड इन साइकोलॉजी इज, राइट आंसर इज ए, इंट्रोस्पेक्शन। सेकंड, द फर्स्ट बुक ऑफ साइकोलॉजी वाज रिटन बाय बी विलियम जेम्स, इज द राइट आंसर। थर्ड क्वेश्चन, द रियल कैरियर्स ऑफ हेरिडिटी आर, A. Chromosomes is the right answer. Which of the following statement is not correct about development? फोर्थ का राइट आंसर है बी, डेवलपमेंट इज नॉट एडेड बाय स्टिम्युलेशन। एक मिनट देख लीजिए आप, टिक भी लगा देता हूँ। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन फिफ्थ, द पेस ऑफ डेवलपमेंट वेरीज फ्रॉम वन इंडिविजुअल टू अनदर बट इट फॉलोज डैश पैटर्न। इसका राइट आंसर है डी, सीक्वेंशियल एंड ऑर्डरली। Sixth question, psychology first lost its soul, then its mind, and then it's lost its consciousness. It still has behavior of a kind was stated by, A is the right answer, Titchener. Seventh, process of socialization includes, D, all of these is the right answer. ठीक है। Eighth question, Piaget called the period of infancy as the, A, sensorimotor stage, is the right answer. Ninth question, according to Vygotsky, learning cannot be separated from its social context, D is the right answer. 10th, fitting new information into existing schemes is known as, C, assimilation is the right answer. 11th, child-centered education was advocated by which of the following thinkers? D, John Dewey is the right answer. 12th question, according to Gates, dash is modification of behavior through experience. C, learning is the right answer. 13th question, which of the following theory of intelligence was given by Howard Gardner? D, multiple intelligence theory is the right answer. 14th, the factor G in Spearman definition of intelligence stands for, C, general intelligence is the right answer. 15th, a 5-year-old child's mental age is 6 years, then his IQ will be, A, 120. 16th question, both the chronological age and the mental age of pupil is 7 years. He may be classified into which category? B, normal intelligence is the right answer. 17th question, which of the following is a characteristic of a gifted learner? C, he is highly temperamental. C is the right answer. TAT, thematic appreciation test, is a projective technique used for measuring, C, creativity. 19th, a concept learned by a student in a science class is used by her in social science class. This is a type of, इसका राइट आंसर है A, पॉजिटिव ट्रांसफर ऑफ लर्निंग। 20th क्वेश्चन, इंडिविजुअल डिफरेंसेस आर फाउंड इन, B, all of above is the right answer. 21st, when a test measure an individual's ability constantly and accurately, then the test is known as, B is the right answer, reliable. 22 question, which of the following is an objective question? इसका राइट आंसर है D, ट्रू और फॉल्स। 23 question, education of children with special needs should be provided, A, along with other normal children, is the right answer. Education of all in schools for all could be a tagline for which of the following? 24 का है B, inclusive education is the right answer. 25th, learning disability named dyscalculia इसको जो भी कहते हैं, इज एसोसिएटेड विद, बी इज द राइट आंसर, मैथमेटिकल डिसऑर्डर। 26th क्वेश्चन, द टीचर टोल्ड रीटा दैट शी इज नॉट अलाउड टू पार्टिसिपेट इन गेम्स पीरियड एज शी इज नॉट completed her homework, is it is an example of, B is the right answer, punishment। 27th question, according to Freud, which component of personality works on the pleasure principle? 27 का है A, ID is the right answer। 28th question, out of the box thinking is related to, D convergent thinking। 29th question, who propounded the theory of trial and error? C Thorndike is the right answer। 30th question, name the theory which advocates sudden solution to the problem। B is the right answer, theory of insight। होप आपको ये वीडियो हमारा अच्छा लगा हो। प्लीज़ हमारे फेसबुक पेज को और यूट्यूब चैनल को सब्सक्राइब जरूर कीजिएगा। धन्यवाद जी आपका बहुत बहुत।